Everyone, in this video today, I'm going to walk you through using the matching mode with Edcafe AI's flashcard feature. When you share a flashcard file with your students, they'll see the option for classic mode, which is just flipping the cards one by one, showing one card at a time, or matching mode, which students will be able to match the fronts and backs of cards together. So when they add in their name and they begin studying, you'll see here that there's 6 pairs up at a time. When students are able to correctly match, they'll be highlighted in green, or if it is incorrect, they'll see that highlight in red and have to keep trying. So there is a progress bar down here at the bottom. Once all 3 of the pairs or all 6 of the pairs are matched, then automatically the next pairs will appear on screen. So then students are able to go through all of them. Let's go ahead and finish this up quick. When they're done, they'll be able to just quickly review their progress and how many attempts it took for each card. Back on your teacher side, again, you're also able to view that report and you can see how long it took your students to complete the set and also how many attempts it took them to get each one of the cards correct. In practice, this works well for a quick review session before a quiz or as just a change of pace from the classic card flipping for your students. Let us know if you have any suggestions or feedback, and we'd be happy to hear.